The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic brings back something fans have missed: the rotating bezel. This time, it's more satisfying than ever, with a tactile, clicky feel that makes interacting with the watch genuinely enjoyable. Alongside this nostalgic return, the watch introduces some new features. Some are easy to spot, others are more subtle, but together they clearly show how much Samsung has refined the user experience. What sets the smartwatch apart is its deep integration with Gemini AI, making it the first in the world to have this kind of built-in assistant. Gemini doesn't just sit in the background, it actively helps you out. Whether you need to summarize emails, schedule a meeting, or set a reminder, it's right there. Even more impressively, it understands your habits, preferred apps, and the people you communicate with. Samsung also listened to complaints about charging issues on older models. With a new lug design, the band now lies flat, solving compatibility problems with the company's dual wireless chargers. It's a small change, but one that makes everyday use smoother and less frustrating. When it comes to hardware, there are some meaningful upgrades too. The storage has doubled to 64GB, 4 times what you'd get on the Watch 6 Classic, and the RAM is now 2GB, making everything feel quicker. The battery is slightly larger at 445 mAh, and while it's still smaller than the Watch Ultras, it's an improvement. The display now reaches up to 3000 nits in brightness, making it easier to see in bright daylight and matching the Ultra's capabilities. Design-wise, the Watch 8 Classic brings a fresh yet somewhat polarizing look. It takes inspiration from the Watch Ultra, including the stainless steel body and extra buttons, but skips the titanium build. The screen is smaller than the one on both the Watch 6 Classic and the Ultra, despite the watch itself having a large body, something that may divide opinions. Health tracking receives a significant boost with some futuristic enhancements. One standout is the antioxidant index, which measures the level of carotenoids, anti-aging compounds from fruits and vegetables, in your body in just 5 seconds. Another feature is the vascular node, which monitors blood vessel stress while you sleep and can alert you to potential cardiovascular risks. There's also bedtime guidance, which uses your sleep patterns to suggest the ideal time for you to go to bed. Runners will appreciate the upgraded running coach, which customizes training suggestions based on your heart health and fitness level. These advanced health features require upgraded sensors that aren't available on the Watch 6 Classic, but they will be supported on last year's Watch Ultra. The software has also been refreshed, with the new One UI 8 watch introducing a more intuitive layout. Pill-shaped tiles make better use of the round screen, and the Nowbara Smart Information Strip activated with a double pinch gives you quick access to what matters most. Add in faster charging, night mode, and a speedier chip, and it's clear the experience has been refined all around. Comparing the Watch 8 to the Ultra, the regular version stands out for its slimmer, more polished look, better than early renders had suggested. The Watch Ultra, meanwhile, doesn't bring major changes this year aside from a storage bump and a new color option, but it remains the most powerful option in Samsung's lineup. All in all, the Watch 8 Classic feels like a smarter, more refined smartwatch. So, that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to us for tech content. Thanks for watching.